Hi everyone, it's great to have you here. Today I'm gonna introduce you a cooling fan which taking the whole world by storm. That is our EC12038 4 inches. It is filled with eco-friendly, fireproof, explosion-proof materials which makes it reliable choices for many equipment. Think commercial refrigerator, thermal cabinets, solar inverters, PD scanners, and also EV chargers. Plus, it is versatile, supporting AC and DC power. And also, today I'm gonna walk you through the reasons why it is gonna be the next best investment for you. Firstly, whether it is 30 wattage to 48 wattage or AC 110 wattage to 265 wattage, it can just starts up easily and also runs perfectly. Now we're gonna have a demonstration of the test to prove it. And as you can see in the video here, it runs so perfectly and starts up perfectly. Worry about high temperature. Worry about the high temperatures. No worries, because it comes with like smart temperature controls. It can adjusting its beats according to the environment's temperature. And just see how it responds seamlessly with this. Although you worry about the power surge with our products, this won't be a problem. It can handle up to 400 wattage. And now we're gonna also have a test of its high power wattage durability. And nextly, we're gonna see is the waterproof and dustproof capabilities. It is filled to IP66 materials. And are you curious about its capability or waterproof? Now we're gonna show it underwater, and you can see how it runs so perfectly underwater. With this dustproof, waterproof, and heat tolerance materials, our EC12038 will give you a best services. And thank you so much.